Hi, this is Manish Pandey. Today in this video, we will see how to use local time function, now function, today function, UTCTime function, and these are date functions. Let's start one by one. First, we'll see local time. Local time function is used to get the current system time. Let's click on this local. Let's paste that one. Now store this local time here and take it as an output. Create that. Okay, we have this output. Right click, set next stage, next. Now you can see here, this is our current time as per our system. Next one we have now. Now function is used to get the date and time based on UTC date time. Let's click on date and click on now. This blue prism mostly works on the UTC date time, that is universal standard date time. Let me take this, paste here, take this now and paste here, put here output and create this. Now click OK. Right click, set next stage. Now you can see here our local time is 12:50, but here our time is 07:21, that is a UTC date time. Now we have today. Today function is used to get current date. Double click on that, search here today, click on paste. So we have today function only. Now copy paste here underscore output. And here you will get today's date. Right click, set next stage, and then you can see here we are getting date. Now we have UTC time, that will give you a based on UTC. Double click, click on date, click on UTC, click on paste. Now take this UTC time here, paste here underscore output. Now create that data item. Now click OK and let's. Now you can see here UTC time is 7:23:12, that is matching with this one, right? This now, because now is giving us a value, the time based on the UTC. Now you will have a question that how can we get a current date time based on our system. So for that you have to make some changes, you have to play with these functions. Let me show you how to do that. So this we are going to use local current date time. So for that, here you can see current, that today function is giving us date. So first we will take today, right? Now you can see this local time is giving us current time based on system. So we will take that also. Let me put here space and then search here local time, click on paste. Now we just need to combine that and we need to convert this to the date time. So how can we do that? Let me first put here to date time and then we need to combine that. So here just we'll put here ampersand, one space in between in the double quotation. Now here we'll store that in the local current date time, create that and it will give us value in the data type date times. Now click OK. Click step and now you can see here we are getting output as a 10/7/2022 and the time is 12:52. So you can see here same as per our current date time. Let's start one by one from here. Right now you can see here our local time 12:55 and 45 seconds. Now it means that is giving us based on the UTC. Today's date is this, UTC is this one. Now after combining these two things like today and local time, we are getting this one. So by this way you can get local date time and you can use that in your project as per your requirement. Thank you.